In this lesson, we're going to look at using help in PowerShell. So after you've used Command Discovery to learn the appropriate commandlet for a task, the next challenge is to find out which parameters exist for a commandlet. So fortunately, PowerShell has built-in help functions for this using the get-help commandlet. Let's say that you want to create a new mailbox. Through Command Discovery, you've learned which mailbox administration commandlets are available. So the commandlet new-mailbox looks like it might be the right one. So now you want to learn how to use it. In order to do so, you simply run get-help and then new-mailbox. So that's get help and then the commandlet that you would like to see the help information for. Now quite a lot of information scrolled past, and we'll just go back up and have a look at the start. We can see this synopsis here that new-mailbox can be used to create a user in Active Directory and mailbox enable this new user. So that seems like the correct commandlet that we want to use for creating a new mailbox. But we also find all of this other information here which is not very easy to read. What we really want to do is see examples of how to use the new-mailbox commandlet. So this time we'll use get-help, new-mailbox, and we'll add the examples parameter onto that. So now we're starting to get somewhere. We've got two examples that have been output from the help information. One of them creates a user, Chris Ashton, in Active Directory and creates a mailbox for the user. And we can see here that there's some commands that let us set the password as well. And this other example is for creating a user in Active Directory and a resource mailbox for a conference room. So with these two examples, we get a pretty good idea of how to make use of new-mailbox, a new-mailbox commandlet, for creating two different types of mailboxes in the organization. Now, some people don't like reading their help information here in the shell. They prefer to read it somewhere that's a little easier on the eye. So what we can do, fortunately, is launch the online help from PowerShell. So we use get-help and then the commandlet new-mailbox and add the online parameter, and that will launch Internet Explorer for us and take us directly to the TechNet page that contains that help information for the commandlet. Now, one of the advantages of doing this is that by going to the web page to see the help information, you're always seeing the most up-to-date information, whereas when you're looking at the help information that is presented in the shell, you're only seeing the help information that originally shipped with that commandlet. It's not kept up to date if there's any new developments or errors or omissions in that help information. So hopefully at this stage you're beginning to see how the combination of Command Discovery and the built-in help functions can assist you with learning how to perform any administrative task using PowerShell.